Hey everyone, this is Vlogmas Day 3! Actually guys, I ended and started my day in MM and Honey's pod. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be working here until later. I'm gonna share with you guys my favorite drink of all time if I am on a diet. Okay, so to share, what we need is a cup, lemon, stevias, and coffee. So, ito lang siya guys. It's very simple, but I love it. It does the job, and I can defecate more. Charing. But overall, I think I brainwashed myself from loving it. Kasi now, ginahanap ko na talaga siya. Before, like, it's a niche drink. Not a lot of people appreciates this. You appreciate it, Han?
Of course.
Di pa ko nyo natikman. Atik lang yun siya. Alam mo, segue ko lang ipatikim ko sa friend ko. Tapos sabi ko na, sabi niya, oh, ano yan? Tapos sabi ko, girl, huwag ka mag-expect. Kasi promise, sabi niya, ninitikman ko, pagtikim niya, alam mo, kalami sana, videohan ko, ang nawag ko niya, ano. Kaya, just siya for everyone na drink. Welcome sister, and she is working late because she's a VA.
Specific work ko, I'm into logistics, so sa operations ako, so everything about container shipping, from warehouse to warehouse, from supplier, product development, ang daming ganap, no?
Yeah.
Shipping from any countries to their direct, for example, if they have a store or they have a warehouse somewhere in the US, Australia, China, or saan man sa mundo. Yan ang ginagawa
Short,
ko.
madami siyang pera because of
Hoy!
Yeah, overall, sige, what can you say to our aspiring VAs who want to be in the logistics world? Because there is a notion na medyo marami ang pera sa logistics. Just because it's also such a hassle. It really requires a lot from you, energy and, time and a lot of skills work, right? So, what can you say?
Actually, ang masabi ko lang, no, you really have to study. Actually, nag-change siya from time to time. Hindi katulad ng, di ba, kunyari, there's a formula. The formula doesn't work all the time. So, you have to be you have to be very flexible. Like now, for example, you have to look into, kunyari, costing, storage. Kasi kailangan tactical ka, strategic ka. Kasi if you don't do that, and most of all, dapat lagi kang, pino-foresee mo yun yung work ko, pino-foresee mo palagi kung anong mangyayari sa future. Even if hindi siya mangyari, at least you have always, big talaga siya. For me, ito yung lesson sa akin. You always need to have plan A to Z.
Ooh.
Promise. If A doesn't work, let's go to B. If B doesn't work, you go to C.
Pero have you tried? Sige daw, can you recall an experience?
Example si plan A. Supposed to be to ship, for example, hindi to yung product namin, but for example, we're going to ship like pencils na lang, pencils. So for example, we're going to ship 3,000 pencils. So what happened is, dapat, kumbaga, di ba for example sa customs, sa customs, minsan, alam mo na, tsempuhan ka na.
Sa'yo yung i-check
Oo, i-check. So, minsan, hindi mo alam na it will take like a month.
Oh my God.
So, kunyari, Christmas season na.
Tapos naka-sale, tapos wala na.
Tapos, ang nangyari sa amin, ngayon ko nalaman na dapat pala ang plan ko, do not ship all together.
Oh, that's such a pro tip, guys.
Kasi may iba sabi, sige, makakales tayo kapag, pero alam nyo, when it comes to Q4, like quarter sale, November siya, di ba? So, December pa siya pumasok. So, ang dami naming stock, nakadagdag ka ng storage.
Tsaka loss na din siya.
Oo, loss na din siya. So, dapat yung supposed to be na sales mo ng November. So, yes, ipinasa mo sa December, but the thing is, ang dami mong stocks na naiwan. So, nag-oversupply ka. So, ngayon, lesson ko, ang plan A ko pala, di ba, plan A, plan B. So, ganito ginawa ko for the next year, plan A.
Wait lang, how long, to interject lang, how long have you been in this industry?
6 years.
Oh my God, ha? She
6
loves
years
the
na.
numbers.
Oo, pero alam mo, hate ko math, pero ewan ko na, enjoy ko logistics and communications din sa, yan. Kasi ang maganda dito rin is makakamit ka ng maraming tao.
And suppliers,
Yes.
she knows
Akala
about
nila
that.
logistics,
By the way, if
yeah.
like, you want to move things around the globe, I'll let her know.
So, yun. So, for example, back to, yung plan A, plan B. So, ginawa ko the next year, so, pinutol-putol ko na siya. Ang plan A ko, meron akong pang air shipping, kasi ginawa ko before, okay, yung tawag dito, ginawa ko lang is container shipping, which is yung ocean lang. So, ginawa ko, meron akong ocean, meron akong air freight.
Oh,
just to be sure.
para sure.
Yung air freight, yan yung tinatawag ko na buffer stock. For example,
Kamahal sa air
yun na ang mahal. Pero konti lang. Tapos, ang nangyari, I suggest ang air freight kapag nagmamadali ka.
But the goal is to have the stocks.
Oo, to have the stocks. Kasi, meron kasi ewan ko kasi sabihin ko na lang sa Amazon na, meron kasi kaming parang, pag mag-launch ka, parang meron kunyari soft launch mo, si Amazon, bibigyan ka ng spotlight.
Yeah, okay.
So, anong nangyari sa amin?
But do you have to pay for that, or?
No. Parang meron kang honeymoon period daw na. Honeymoon period for like
okay.
2 weeks. 2 weeks siya na honeymoon period. So, anong nangyari? For example,
Palami una dahil ko
diba?
damay.
Always. Tapos, yun. So, ang nangyari, inano siya, parang, okay, nag-sale kami. Tapos, hala, nagulat kami. Alam mo nangyari? Na out of stock agad siya within a month. So, wala kaming...
Extra na
yung extra namin, ano pa siya? In transit pa. So, anong nangyari? Hala, na-sold out.
Oh, pero my God, that's such a good problem. And at the same
Good
time, if
problem
you're
siya.
there, ma-realize mo, kasayang sa
Diba? Kaya sa sale. So, right after that, ang ginawa ko, nag-airship ako, pero konting units lang. Just to make sure na ma-replenish
Na
lang
meron.
yung week na yun.
So,
Kasi sayang yung honeymoon period
Yeah.
na pasok ng pasok niya yung sales. Yeah. Hello, sorry, meron kaming commercial.
Meron kaming
Of course,
commercial
meron tayong
break.
after, later, or right now na. You want soup? Okay,
We'll
so
be
ayun.
back.
Yeah, we'll be back.
Guys, we're learning so much and later gusto ko ipa-disclose sa kanya how much we can earn sa logistics. Gawa na tayo ng coffee, guys. So, it's already here. Lagay ko na lang itong dalawa and that's it. It's a citrus Americano. Actually, guys, better if wala itong equal cold. But, hindi ako naga-fasting right now. So, lagyan natin siya. So, it has a little bit of sweetness into it. Anyway, so sharing this lang. Bye! Render. Guys, this is my favorite. Meron din siyang part 2 very, very soon this December. Oh my God! Go, go, go! Yo, i-mute na ko to. So that's not nice. So this is from Fika. Cheers!
Cheers!
So anyway, I am here with Direct Honey or Jo or Honey. Okay, ipatuloy lang namin yung conversation kanina.
Yes.
How much is the potential earning?
Potential earning if i-maximize yung maximum or char.
Ah!
Merong minimum to maximum. Kasi it
Maybe
depends.
let's start with the maximum. I meant minimum.
Minimum.
Let's
Or mag-start ka pala.
Aspiring.
Aspiring, mag-start siya $800
dollars. Oh, that's amazing.
per month.
Yeah.
So, okay, 800. But the thing is, some people would, give you commissions as well. That's why, minsan, okay, yun yung base mo, pero may commissions ka. For
the commissions being per item
per
sold.
ano siya, sometimes per item sold, sometimes per container. Alam mo yung mga 40 feet container, 20 feet container.
Yung mga cubic.
Yes, minsan magbigay sila 3% commission, minsan 5% commission on kung magkano yung total value ng goods, ganyan. So, ang maximum right now, if na-check ko, kasi iba rin kasi kapag ang rate, syempre sa Philippines, iba rin
Yeah.
pag yung taga-US na talaga.
Totoo,
or ibang
totoo
country.
naman.
So, sa atin, pwede siya mag-maximize until $2,000 per month.
Maximum ang 2,000.
Maximum. Pero yan yung current na nakita ko. Pero meron pa talaga na nag-exceed kasi it depends sa account. For example, meron kasing logistics manager kasi may iba katulad akong SKU. Akin parang right now hanggang 10 kabuok ang isang account per isang account lang yan. Pero kapag more than that, higher talaga salary mo. Abot ka ng, I think, lalo sa Amazon, meron kasi mga sellers na they're just not selling like, kunyari may brand sila, pero daghan ka ayaw, kunyari may kitchen
So,
sila.
per
may
account ang
per
basihan.
account. Minsan per account, pero may iba, depende kung gaano karami yung yung SKUs mo.
Okay, I see. So, to segue, $2,000, it's like 100,000 plus na din, di ba yan?
Yes. Mag-exceed pa yan ha, kasi depende talaga yan kung gaano karami yung SKU. Kasi, syempre, the more na products ang minamanage mo, yung inventory management tawag dyan, mas mataas ang rate.
And that's just in a month, guys.
In a month,
Iba pa yung double pays because I hear you have double pays. She has double pays. Nilibre niya ako, I think, 2 days ago because she has a double pay. Grateful for the sisterhood and the libre. Anyway. So,
Yan talaga pag gutom yung tao, kailangan kakain ka rin.
Yeah.
Dapat,
And plus,
kasi ako pag kakain ako, dapat kakain ka rin.
I really believe in the saying that the more you give, the more you receive.
Actually, that's true. Kasi nangyari yan sa akin. Like, parang, before, kahit, alam ko minsan, may times na parang wala na ako, pero ito lang yung ma-help ko. Sabi, hoy, what if ito lang mabigay ko? Pero alam mo yung balik sa akin triple.
Well, tas alam mo, you don't even expect it.
Yes.
Like, ako naman kasi, even if I give, tas sometimes feel ko parang, what about me? Aking thinking is, meron lang talaga yung for me. And if I can give right now, I will.
Yes.
Not to the point, of course, na zero na din
naman,
talaga,
di
no?
naman
Kahit hindi naman din
level.
pwedeng ganon. But if you can give a little, okay. And then, alam mo, sometimes, the universe actually, like, surprises you with more.
totoo.
With that. It surprises you more if ang intention mo was just really to
Genuine.
help.
And genuine talaga.
Plus, I have this rooted core kasi na whatever I do, it comes back to me.
Comes back talaga.
So, same lang, whatever you put out in the universe, it comes back. So, that's why, guys, be careful with your words. Be careful what you say.
Kasi, actually, sabi nga nila, powerful kasi ang words. Hindi mo alam na makaka-curse ka na pala.
Oh, yeah.
Totoo yan.
Kaya gana ang spells, words lang, diba?
Yes,
Kasama na lang yung mga magic voodoos. But, it's just about words. And sometimes, even if magsabi ka, sana hindi ko makita sa ganyan, tas makita mo. Oo. Tas like, sometimes, like, magsabi ka, matapilok sana, and then may matapilok talaga. So, yeah, like, it's really powerful. At the same time, you can use it sa advantage mo. So, like, say na, you know what, sige lang, abundance is coming, or if di ka ganyan magsalita, then you know what, nalagi ko yung kwarta. Uy! Nay, padulungay karon. O, unya na agyon.
Pag ay, wala akong pera, hindi, pagparating pa.
Yeah.
Ganun na ang mindset.
Yeah, that's the mindset.
Wala akong pambayad, hindi, dadating yan.
That's why I always say, especially sa aking friends na may pagka-negative, I always say na wala pa. Huwag mo sabihin wala kang pera. Sabihin mo wala pa. Kasi we don't know. Baka on the way pa, it's finding you pa. Baka gina-fire pa right now yung person na palitan mo. Diba? Or like maybe something has to happen. Like ma-broken hearted yung isa, so mag-leave siya, magpunta siya sa Siargao. So ikaw mag-repray sa kanya. So we don't know what's happening behind the scene.
Share ako. Actually, ganyan ba yung nangyari doon sa yung isa kong client?
Oo.
Kasi parang alam mo, may time talaga na parang wala ko sa sarili and all.
Ikaw.
Kailangan ko ng client. Parang kailangan kasi mayroong bayarin and all. Ganyan. So, alam mo, nagulat lang ako na yung sinabi mo na fire good talaga sa akin. Sabi ko, sorry na fire siya. Like, na-fire lagi siya. Sabi ko, yun yung, akala ko umalis.
But that's not what your intention.
Hindi yung intention ko, like, totoo talaga pa ng Lord.
Pray ka lang kasi.
Parang ako yung pumasok. So, I pray na sana yung umalis.
Meron
pala siyang better opportunity.
Or maybe ayaw na pala niya.
Kumbaga, akala ko ayaw niya. Siguro hindi lang sila siguro hindi kasi siya aligned sa company. So, sabi ko, boss, question, bakit natanggal yung before? Sabi ko, or umalis ba siya, nag-resign? Sabi ko, actually, gi-fire ko siya. Pag gano'n pala, okay, kulba ba? Bakit? Basta, lang talaga, like, pero valid naman, pinabayaan kasi.
But at the same time, I think, to the core, sabi kasi talaga ni Lord, be bold in what you ask. Like, ask ka talaga because they love it. Actually, gani, if you ask small favors, okay man, but like, if I remember correctly sa mga teachings before and sa mga kausap ko, and even when I read the Bible, ang sabi is, dapat, if mag-ask ka, it should be really big kasi if small, then, are you doubting my capability to give you the more? Why ask for small? So, if bigger, masyak ka ba? Like, when I was at my darkest moments, there was really one more story in the Bible ba na hit jud niya ako ang like to the core of me. Kaya, if there is a way, God will make a way. And then, ma-remember ko talaga yung kay Moses God, when he divided the sea, doon mo ma-realize ba, akala ba ng people, wala na, but he was there.
Kunyari, di ba, dark moment. Alam mo, at the end of the day, sige, okay lang yan na sige, drama ka, go, pak, pero pag huli, alam mo, pag nilabas mo na emotions mo, wala na.
Okay na, and it feels a lot better.
Alam mo, nagbook ako for this week, Pero ang ginagawa ko lang, alam mo, siguro rest.
Yeah.
Stop ka sa everything, rest. And then, after that, magkaroon ka man ng ideas agad.
Oo.
Pag na-clear mo mind mo, para ka lang eraser ba? Erase mo rin yan sa mind mo. Kasi may nagturo sa akin yan. Parang coach, good siya, mental coach. Ang turo niya is, alam mo ang gulo-gulo ng buhay mo ngayon, what if, baka kailangan mo mag-load and unload, but first you have to clear your mind. So, basically,
so it's an exercise.
Exercise siya. Mental exercise. Actually, ang hirap ha.
You know, that's
mahirap siya. Pero
that mental coach, right?
Mental coach
I just want to share as well that I also watch a video of that, but from a spirituality coach. See, mami ko kasi medyo same lang ang like gist of it all.
But talaga, clear your mind, tapos hayaan mo lang. Sige, problema ka, sabi ko, pasok. Pero ang sabi niya, clear your mind. I-try mo, totoo yung meditation ha.
Yeah, that's me with my walks.
Diba? 15 minutes. Like, just yourself. Tapos clear mo lang. Alam mo, right after that,
parang may downloads.
Meron ka ng, okay, may strategy na ako na gagawin ko.
May downloads from God, from the universe. And if you feel that, na meron ganon, that's probably it. That's probably the message that you've been looking for.
And prayers.
Prayers.
Though, kunyari, hindi ka alam mo, may iba ka sabihin, hindi kasi masyadong nagsisimba, it's okay. Alam mo, pinaka-important is yung personal relationship mo sa kanya.
Yes.
Totoo. Hindi yan, kasi for me, okay, hindi ako masyado nagsimba or what, but everyday I pray.
Yeah. Alam mo, kasi no, dark moments ko din, I was really also, naghahanap ako ng community. So, napasok ako sa isang Bible study. Bible study group online. So, nagsabi talaga ako na I'm actually Catholic kasi iba yung religion nila. Sabi niya na, you know what, it's okay because what will save you is not the religion but your personal relationship with Christ. So, nag-impact talaga siya sa akin. So, sabi nga, dapat you treat him like your best friend. So, that's ko na, Lord, pero laban lang. I know that you have plans for me better than my plans for myself.
Saka minsan, ibagsak ka talaga niya. Like, very much. Pero, ang balik, ang ganda.
Super. Oh my God, this is a whole nother conversation. But,
next.
But super.
Next.
Wait lang. Going back, probably my last question. For aspiring BAs, especially who wants to be in the logistic route, what are the tools you can suggest?
Tools I can suggest. Since nasa Amazon kasi ako, I highly suggest you have to study Helium 10. It's very helpful. Most sellers use it kasi it's a platform where maka-check ka ng suppliers, maka-check ka ng how much they're selling. Basically, puro data talaga siya, information-based system siya. I think there are YouTube videos, but I highly suggest also you take trainings. Kasi meron namang mga alam mo, swerte, ang daming trainings ha.
No,
hindi ko alam, tama ba itong pinagagawa ko? Alam mo yung trial and error. Yun talaga yung term ko, trial and error.
Back of your mind, do you have any courses that you can suggest?
Actually, may course ako isasuggest. Meron ako kasi yung talaga siya. Doon ako nag-train. Their name is OFP, Training Academy.
Okay.
So, based sila dito sa Mindanao. Actually, they have a page. So, if you want, yun lang. As you see, tapos ako yung charge.
Sige.
Ganon. Kasi
put referral, put Honey Nartates in the referral.
Yes, i-referral nyo. Kasi usually, doon, alam nyo ba, after ko mag-training sa kanila, doon ako
nag-skyrocket ang income.
Skyrocket ang income and doon ako na-promote.
Amazing.
Kasi, alam mo ako, actually, pero sabihin ko na hindi siya madali. Like, you really need to study. Like, parang ang setup
you really put in time and effort.
Oo, kasi kung hindi ka ready, hindi yung parang, di ba may iba, kunyari mag-aral, okay na, panood ko na to, okay na to. Sila, meron ka talagang gagawing output. So,
well, that's better though. Yun lang, it takes a lot of accountability and time.
And then you can use it basta, hindi ko share. Basta, use mo siya after, like, magamit mo na siya if nakakuha ka ng clients.
Alright, so we have those.
Yes.
And any last words for our logistics people here?
For logistics people, marami nagsasabi mahirap siya, pero ang pera. Totoo yun. Marami siyang pera.
Sige, last, I guess, can you disclose to us your highest income being a BA in the logistics industry? Pwede hindi now, pwede before. Just your highest.
Before, umabot ko ng siguro nakaabot ko na, oh my God, sige. Ano pa before hindi ngayon? Wait. Umabot siguro ko ng nakaabot ko 2.5. Pero before yun before. Pero actually hindi pa yun lahat. Kasi minsan, seasonal kasi siya. So pag Christmas season, pag Christmas season, okay siya. Siyempre, lalo yung September pa onward. So mga ganyan. Yun yung pinakamalaki siguro. Pero meron pa isa, like, yun talaga yung malaki kasi naka-help ako sa company na to sell their brand.
Oh, okay.
Umabot siya ng, hindi yung exact amount bibigay
ko. Of course.
Pero abot good siya ng $15,000.
$15,000? Oh my gosh, amazing. Like at isang month?
Ano lang, one time lang siya, pero di ba?
Oh my God, okay lang yun. Siguro kung ako, di ako mag-work for 3 months.
Secret talaga, pero more or less, yan yung
binibigay niya. Oh my God, wait, let me just sharing this, not to, brag or whatever, because personally, I want to share this kind of stuff because I want everyone to know that it is possible. And sometimes kasi, a lot of people, they want to go abroad to earn more. But there is really, there's lots of opportunities here, and in the BA industry, madami talaga. I think we just have to explore more, get to know more, and learn more, and then with that, malalaman mo na, pwede lang pala dito. And then you can, buy a house.
Actually, yes. Uy, alam mo yun, nakatulong sa'yo mag-buy ng house.
See? Wait.
Parang like pang down payment, diba?
So guys, she earned $15,000 in a month before. So to compute that, lagay natin 55. That is $825,000 in a month. Oh my God, do you know that's like mga rush na mga balay sa uban.
Pero pinahirapan ko siya like, nagulat ako kasi bigla lang siyang nagpasok sa account. Like, what's that? Like, nagulat ako na, alam mo yung like, sabi, oy, nag-send lang ako sa'yo ng konting amount.
Oh my God, oh my gosh.
Nahulog ako sa chair. Like, oh my God, baka akala ko nagkamali lang. Alam mo yung feeling na kasi may employers na nagkakamali na nagdagdag ng 0. Akala ko yung baka 1.5 lang or baka nagkamali. But hindi, that's for you, huh? Diba, parang, okay. Like, sabi ko, wala, deserve ko ba to? Ganyan. So,
you deserve it. Deserve naman, I think.
Anyway, parang yun lang. Alam mo nung pandemic, dun kasi nag-boom ang e-commerce.
2018 pa siya nag-start, guys. So, baka lang yung iba mag-expect sila na next month agad meron. That's really possible. But, you know, just to set expectation.
Like, sleepless nights, nakakapagod, like, kailangan, marami kang kausap. Yun naman sabi ko more on communications din siya. Like, daghan ka. Alam mo yung supplier A, B, C, blah, 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 blah. Kasi pag maghahanap ka ng supplier, hindi lang isa. I-check mo pa sila, tapos kausapin mo pa sila. So, parang, yun, more on communications din ang logistics. Kailangan talaga kasi from warehouse to warehouse.
Oh, okay. So, maybe just my last question. What are the soft skills and hard skills or any skills that logistics BA has to have?
Tama ba
or maybe train themselves to have?
To train themselves, talaga, like, dapat you have to be fast. Like, for example, booking shipments, kailangan makipag-unahan ka, lalo pag yung alam mo malapit na mag-season ng Christmas, you have to be fast. Tapos, kailangan talaga, you need to make smart decisions. Like, okay, kasi inventory pinag-uusapan natin dito, magre-replenish ba to or hindi. Kasi kapag isang mali mo lang alam mo yung parang nag-send ka ng overstock ka, lugi ang company. So, alam mo, ang logistics, very important talaga siya. Like, strategic, parang dapat you have to be very strategic and more or less dapat yun nga, sinasabi ko palagi, you always have to think of the future. What if? And always plan A to Z. Don't forget, planning A to Z. Kasi, lesson learned talaga sa akin. Di ba na-mention ko kanina na yung 3,000 units na hindi pumasok.
Yes, yung pencils.
Yung pencil. Example lang yun. Pero di ba, yun pala dapat pala plan A ko, ganito, plan B, ganito, ganyan. Alam mo, ginawa ko the next year, umukay kami. Wala kami naging problem sa customs or wala kaming problem sa inventory and logistics.
Yeah, so, yun lang guys. High pressure siya, I think.
High pressure siya. So, you have to be very, like, kaya nga ako, di ba, parang sabi ko, kailangan pag magulo na utak ko, clear your mind. Kasi, high pressure talaga ang logistics. Kasi, kahit saan naman siguro, kahit any event, di ba, ang logistics, parang, kung walang ganito, kailangan mong kailangan mo laging gumawa ng paraan.
Yeah. So, if sanay ka na sa pressure, it's really good. Because, just to segue, kadugin, mahuman. Anyway, just to segue, I was in a logistics company before, but, I'm weak with numbers, guys. So, I'm just a trainer no na time in the industry. But, I see my bosses and grabe na naka-stress like every day.
Yes.
Every day may new problems na nag-arise. Like, parang, oh my God, wala ka humanay.
Wala talaga. Like, talaga, ang expect mo palagi may problem.
Tapos, akala mo okay na, and then, nagka-problem again. Tapos, kadaming, like, you know. But overall, I think it's nice kasi pag sanay ka sa high pressure mo, like, high pressure is a norm na.
Norm na sa logistics. Like, you have to be sanay na talaga. Like, okay. Kasi before ako nararata, ganyan. Parang ako okay, ano nangyari? Okay, doon tayo sa plan B. Okay, yung, alam mo yung Joe, kasi Joe ako sa Joe ang name ko.
Joe siya sa BA world.
They call me Joe kasi pinakamadali. Kasi honey, kami nag-aaway. Sino yung honey niya?
Oh, yeah, bitaw na.
Ganun. So, ang ginagawa ko palagi is, yan nga, sabi ko sa kanila, you have to be very, like, since high pressure siya, kailangan mo rin i-manage yung stress mo. Kasi maka-stress talaga siya, promise. Lalo pag yung daghan na masyado ang mga gawain.
Anyway, guys, she has basura duties now. But I think that ends it for that mini interview with Honey. And I hope you got a lot from the quick interview that I did with her. And I'm so sorry sa background, no? Because I'm staying at their house right now. And I just wanted to take this opportunity. Kay I'm really practicing, giving myself permission to do it messy. So, bahala na ang aming background, whatever. But the value na meron si Honey is really amazing and powerful and a lot of people can benefit from it. So, here we are. So, probably next time, better aming background like sa Dusit and all.
Upgrade na kami next time. Paayos pa.
O kasi meron na makatanggap na naman siya ng another 25,000. Kasi the power of words, diba?
Parating na siya.
Yeah, parating na siya. Waiting na lang kung anong payment channels. Is it Payoneer or Wise? Kalaki ng fees.
Actually, ayoko na. Pwede mas maganda may mag-bank ka na lang diretsyo.
Yeah, para din makita sa SOA mo ba na ano. Anyway, yeah, so see you later. It's time check. It's 9:42 and madami pa akong gagawin sa live. So anyway, see you later. Ask Bling. Going home.